I am about to actually fix this disposal. This is the problem I'm having right now. So I'm about to use this little tool and reset it. Hey everybody, okay, so I'm under here and about to make an attempt to fix that thing because it's making this weird sound, which means no telling what the heck my kids have done. So a friend of mine showed me how to fix it and let me borrow this little tool this weekend. So I am going to go under here. There's supposed to be a little round hole that you take and put this in, and you twist it around, and then you press the reset button that's in there. So I'm about to get in here and do that real quick. I'm okay. Okay, well, let's see what happens. I use organic stuff, but only for the toilet. And ant and roach spray, because I'm not the one. Even though I don't have any or see any. But sometimes these big old roaches come in from outside and they're disgusting. Anyway, so now we're gonna see if it worked. Okay, I got the water on. Now let's test that baby and see how it is going. And we are back. Look at me learning how to fix stuff.